Welcome to the SK Engineering Works. We go to learn the dal mill plant process in a simple word. We understand the process of small as well as big dal mill plants. It's common for all. The process is also common. Firstly, we go from the bucket elevator. We can show the bucket elevator taper tanks. The taper tank purpose is to store the raw material and automatically fit to the grader through the bucket elevator. The taper tanks, the all raw material in the taper tanks feed by the single person. The continuously the belt is rotated in the bucket elevator which contains the buckets and lifted it automatically through the to the upward direction, and it feed it to the grader. The grader may be the 3-seat grader or the 4-seat grader. Grader contains 3 sieves or the 4 sieves and fan and dust collector connection. Fan and dust collector connection is to provide to remove the impurities like sticks, husk and dust from the pulses. This semi-finished raw pulses then provided to the elevator hoppers, and then again it automatically lifted and poured into the hopper of the roll PT. Roll PT's function is to splitting the dal into two parts and the dehusking of the pulses, and remaining bhushi or churi is removed from this outlet. We can see the outlet connection of the roll PT, and the semi-finished boulder material on dal and husk is separately from the roll PT and feeded to the grader through bucket elevator. Again, the tukudi, churi and husk is separated through the help of the fan and dust collector connection, and the dal is separated from it. The boulder material feed into the screw worm for the oil water smearing purposes. Then it's stored into the storage tank. The all boulder material stored and rest for after water smearing. The dryer purpose is to dry the and remove all moisture from the after water smearing process. It contains bhatti, saver, blower, chimney connection and trolley. The resting of dal of boulder material is depends on the type of raw material we use. It may be the resting period is it may be 12 hours or the 2 days. Dryer function is to dry all the material and remove moisture from it properly. After completion of and drying all pulses, it helps to split into two parts and husk. The resting purpose of dal is to soaking all the moisture in it and remove husk easily and split it into two parts easily. All dried material from trolley is fed to the bucket elevator, and through this bucket elevator again it's provided to the hoppers of roll PT, and it's fed into the roll PT by help of the carborundum emery roll material. It helps to remove skin from dal of boulder material and split it easily into two parts. Again it feed automatically through the bucket elevator to the grader and separate husk, churi, tukdi, bhushi and finished dal from it. And this finished dal we can polish, use to polish, or the organic dal directly packaging to the packaging area for packaging purpose. You can use automatic packaging machine or the manual packaging. It's simple process of dal making in the dal plants. Thank you for being with us. Welcome.